If you've just received your new FLi Overlander, your remote will not function until you remove the battery isolator. To remove the isolator, simply unscrew the remote, pull out the isolator, then screw your remote back together. Lock it in place. Now your remote should function. Keep in mind, the remote does go to sleep. So if you haven't used your Overlander in about 8 hours, you will have to turn it on first by the button on the body. Then your remote will be awake and it will work. All modes will function. You can control your brightness. You can also control your brightness and functions by pressing or holding the main power button on the unit. Contact us if you have any questions.